Namaste everyone. I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun this week at a beautiful note. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the energy for this week according to the tarot. But before I begin the video, people who do not know me, I'm Ruhi Aluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I help people to maximize their potential in the domain of health, career, relationship and finances. If you're experiencing any challenges, I can help you to overcome all of that and live to your maximum potential. So let's begin what the tarot has to guide us for this week. So we have this beautiful card from the tarot that says that this is the week where you have to go slow and steady. Slow and steady will win the race this week. This is not the week to hurry up. This is not the week to stress yourself out, but just go with the flow. As far as the professional life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell me that this week some people will have sort of changes in their professional life. You could have changes related to moving into a new office or starting a new job, or maybe I see a lot of travel also happening for some people from one place to another, or you are just hustling bustling between two offices. So there is movement this week as far as the professional life is concerned. As far as the finances are concerned, we've got these two cards that tell us that finances look great this week, provided that you grab the right opportunity at the right time, because this week you will have the opportunities to generate revenues. Maybe more than one source of revenue will be there for you, but you have to really be alert and you have to grab the opportunity at the right time, because you could multiply your finances this week. As far as the love life is concerned, we've got these two beautiful cards. Finally, amazing cards for the love life, because from the last few weeks, I was constantly telling you not to take important decisions in your love life. But this week, there's going to be desire, there's going to be passion, attraction, there's going to be a lot of happiness. I see a lot of get-togethers being organized with your love near dear ones, so you can really free flow this week in your love life. Enjoy your love life is the message of the tarot. As far as the health is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that this week do not be laid back as far as your physical and mental health is concerned. I'll explain you why, because I do see some people may have troubles related to their lower body, starting from your navel up to your feet. So maybe some problem with your lower abdomen, or the regions below the lower abdomens, your knees or your feet. So if you've been having troubles like that since some past few months or some past few days, this is the time to address that physical problem. Do not let it just be there, but address it. Go to the right person to seek the right kind of help. And if mentally also you'll be more prone to feeling bored, you're getting bored and life is not interesting. So do organize some events in your life, do organize some activities or some meetings that will help you to reboost your energy, but prepare for your health this week in advance. As far as the message of the tarot is concerned, we've got the best card of the tarot that says that this is the week full of opportunities. Travel looks great. You will really feel happy, healthy. This week is going to give you a lot of opportunities, but this week you have to be in the action mode. You have to flow with your life. You have to grab the right opportunity at the right time so that you can really have an amazing week. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Also share this with your friends, family, or at least 3 people that you know, to help guide and inspire others. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive the notifications about my future videos. Until then, I wish you lots of love and a happy week.